Hello everyone, I'm Irina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have something a little bit different than usual, a different kind of unboxing. I've got this mystery box from Smelly Stuff because I've seen an ad on Facebook, and I had a look at their website and see what they do, and it was mostly bath bombs, all sorts of things for the shower and the bath. And I had two ideas in mind. Obviously make a little video about it, and also if there are some good things in here, I could put some things away for my daughter's birthday because she is crazy about bath bombs. So let's get into this, open it and see what we got in our mystery box today. Okay, so that's the box open. We're supposed to get 6 products in here. They don't have a certain value, they just said any 6 products that they sell on their website. They also do subscription boxes. So their subscription box is $14.99 and it is a monthly subscription box from what I can see on the website. And for the subscription box, not the mystery box, says that it's guaranteed to contain exclusive products not available anywhere else on our website, plus our other products. It doesn't say how many products you would get in the subscription box though. If I am to go by the picture, it shows 6 products as well. The mystery box was £10 plus postage. So right, let's see what we got in. Oh, something arrived broken. Right, so let's do the broken thing. Looks like it's the only broken thing in here. We have a novelty bath bomb, which I think shows Yoda. So yeah, it's Yoda. Oh, it has like an eucalyptus smell. Alright, let's see what we've got. A little bath bomb. This is the Enchant bath bomb. And this one smells like bubble gum. So this one I'm definitely going to put away for my daughter. Another bath bomb like this. This is the bubble gum bath bomb. So I'm not quite sure what this one smells like then. I'm not the best with scents. So there's that. But it does smell quite sweet, right? Oh, right, we have more little bath bombs. We have oats and honey. Ooh, quite interested in this one. Oh, nice. Oh, it smells so nice, this one. Oats and honey. Captain Aventus. This one is a bit more of a manly smell, I would say. And then we have Parma Violet. So that's pretty self-describing scent. Yeah, that smells nice. Oh, I think my daughter is really going to enjoy this one. We have Groot. Ooh, what does this smell like? It smells like Groot smells like chocolate orange. Oh, so nice. And then we got a little Spider-Man one. Oh, it says superhero on it. Alright, so I'm looking on the website. The superhero one you can get with a different superhero on there. So obviously this one has Spider-Man, but you can get Batman and Iron Man as well. And I'm trying to see if they describe the scent on the website. It says Eclipse Unisex Scented. Okay. Alright, and since we can see the scent on the website, I'm going to look up Enchant as well. It just says it's sweet and fruity. So yeah, that's Enchant. Okay, we have 2 other things in here, which are shimmering granules. We have Adventurous and Juicy Clementine. So obviously this one will smell citrusy. Right, the shimmering granules are to be used with an oil burner. We don't have an oil burner, so maybe I'll have to put these away. It says use with an unscented candle. So let me see what Adventurous is supposed to smell like. Okay, I can't find what this one is supposed to smell like. But let's do a little recap of everything we got. So we got these 3 novelty bath bombs, the 2 shimmering granules, that's 5 so far, and then we got 5 of these bath bombs, bubblegum, enchant, oats and honey, which is my favorite so far, Parma violet, and Captain Aventus. So we have 10 products in total. It does say 6 on the website, but you do get 10 for £10. This is a really good mystery box. And they say that everything is handmade on the website, so to get a handmade bath bomb for £1, that's really good. Shame about this Yora one, but still really good value. This is still available when I upload the video. I will link it in the description box, so check out the description box for, you know, getting your own little mystery box. £10 plus postage. I hope you've enjoyed this video, just a little quick one from me today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel and you like what you see on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Thank you very much if you are subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you know when I upload. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!